Welcome everyone. Today we'll be discussing technology entrepreneurships and technology commercializations. These concepts are crucial in driving innovations and turning ideas into market-ready solutions. By the end of these sessions, you will understand the definitions and differences between technology entrepreneurships and commercializations. Next, you will understand the impact on innovation, job creations, and problem solving. Next, you will understand about the essential skills needed, such as opportunity recognitions and risk management. Next, you will understand about the steps to bring technology-based ideas to market. Example: imagine you have an idea for a mobile app that connects small farmers with urban consumers. Understanding these concepts will help you turn that idea into a successful business. Technology entrepreneurships and commercializations help businesses grow by transforming ideas into valuable products. This is important for both startups and established companies to stay competitive. Example: Tesla started as an innovative idea in electric vehicles and renewable energy. Today, it dominates the market by commercializing advanced battery technology and autonomous driving. First, let me explain about the definitions of technology entrepreneurship process, which is it is quietly different with technology commercializations. So technology entrepreneurship process have undergo several processes, which is the first one is identify innovations by recognizing and selecting viable technologies. Next, develop innovations. After identify types of innovation that is required to improve the performance of current products, the innovations will be developed in order to enhance and refine the current technology. And next, it's time to commercialize innovation by bringing the technologies to market. Now we look into technology commercializations process. Technology commercializations means it is a kind of process of bringing technology to the market. It involves several processes that is required to bring the technology to the market. The first one is prototyping. The purpose of prototyping is to create initial models to test concept. After that, the product will be developed, refining prototypes into viable products. Next, after the product has been developed, the intellectual property protections will be implemented in order to secure legal right for innovations. Next is the process of licensing, which is to grant permissions for use and distributions. And the last one is market entry, which is to introduce products to the market. So this is the processes that involve in the technology commercializations. So now let's learn about the impact of technology entrepreneurships. Technology entrepreneurship leads to innovations, which is new solutions for existing problems. Second, it enhances economic growth. in terms of job creations and investment opportunities. Third, technology entrepreneurship will lead to better life, which is the product that improve efficiency and convenience. Example, Tesla revolutionized the auto industry with sustainable energy solutions like solar panels and lithium-ion batteries. Example, steps in technology entrepreneurship. The first one is opportunity recognition, which is you have to identify gaps in the market. Example, seeing a lack of affordable, healthy food option for students. The solution is a meal delivery apps connecting students with home cooks. Resource acquisitions, which is you can gathering funding and talents. Example, finding a coder to build the app and securing funding from a local investor. Risk management, which is handling uncertainty. Example, testing the app with 15 students to improve it before full launch. Now the stage of business model developments, which is we have to create a revenue strategy. Example, users pay a small fee per meal with profits shared between the platform and home cooks. Now next is a scaling and growth, expanding through partnership and funding. Example, partnering with jeans for promotions and pitching to investors for wider reach. So this is what I mean. This is the example that has been told to you just now. Opportunity recognitions. Okay, this is the first step in technology entrepreneurships. Okay, you have to recognize the opportunity. You have to identify market gaps for innovations. Let's say there's a lack of healthy, affordable meals for students. So we have to create an apps to connect students with home cook that offer cheap meals. Next is a resource acquisitions, which is mean that we have to have a good funding, sufficient fundings, talents. Talents mean people that responsible to develop the apps and also tools to develop the apps. So what you can do, find a coder friends to build the apps, and also you can find a funding from local business owner. In exchange, you can give them a profit from the sellings of the apps. Third is the risk management. Risk management, which is mean that on how you handle the uncertainty and challenges while trying to develop the apps. You, of course, as an entrepreneurship, you will worry. What if no one uses the apps? Solution, try to test with 50 students, get feedback and improve the apps. But you have to remember, in terms of budgeting, you have to carefully avoid running out of funds. Step 4, business model development, which is about creating a revenue model. You offer a free app to your customer or your user, but users still have to pay a small fee per meal order. And your partner with the home cooks and share profits which is it create a win-win strategy. Step 5 is about scaling and growth. You must know how to expand your business to a wider market, which is you can pitch to investor for citywide expansions, you collaborate with the gym and fitness club for promotions, and as the result, there is a thousands of users growing success. So now, what is objective of technology entrepreneurships? So, the main goal is to build a scalable and profitable business. This involves finding the right market, growing a customer base, and generate a sustainable revenue. Example, Grab started as a small ride-hailing service and expanded into food delivery, financial services, and more. Who is involved in technology entrepreneurship? Technology entrepreneurship is driven by entrepreneurs, founders, and startups. Entrepreneurs is an individual who start and run businesses. Founders is those who create a business from scratch. Startup is a new businesses that aim for rapid growth and innovation. Example, Mark Zuckerberg is the founder of Facebook, which started as a small startup but grew into a global corporation. Okay, now let's talk about differences between entrepreneurs, founders, and startups. Entrepreneurs can start any type of business. Founders specifically launch new businesses from scratch. And startups, early stage companies focus on innovations and growth. Example, a bakery owner is an entrepreneur, but if they develop a new online cake ordering platform, they become a founder of a startup. So, there is a Mark Zuckerberg, where he is the founder of Facebook. He is also an entrepreneur because he took the risk to start and grow a business. Facebook, in its early days, was a startup, but now it has evolved into a large corporation. As a conclusion, technology entrepreneurships and commercializations are key to innovations, while entrepreneurship focuses on venture creations, commercializations ensure product reach the market successfully. And again, technology entrepreneurships and technology commercializations are essential pillars of the innovations economy. Both of technology entrepreneurships and technology commercializations must balance. Final thought, the best way to predict the future is to create it by Peter Drucker. So, thank you for your attention.